Morning, y'all. I had to hop on quick. It's an early morning again, and I often am saying lately, Jesus, take the wheel. And I was laughing this morning to myself, out loud actually. Jesus, take the wheel. But you know what? Jesus, take the gear shift. Jesus, take the signal. Jesus, take the brakes. Jesus, take the gas. Jesus, take everything. Jesus, make the windshield clear so that I can see clearly through your eyes. And I don't want to get all super religious about this, but it's like, I thought, yeah, give him the steering wheel. Give him control to drive. Give him the gear shift. Give him the signal. Don't let me go left when I want to go right. Give me the brakes. Give you the brakes, Lord. Take the brakes and slow me down when I need to slow down, and put on the gas when I need to go forward, even through fear or whatever else. And I just thought, take the whole vehicle. Take the whole thing. You're in control today, Lord. Hope that helps someone.